2,000 players winning in the total. I wish you good luck. Welcome all newcomers. Welcome here. Happy to see you. My 2X. I just joined. And Alex Henry, happy to see you. How are you doing so far? Alright. More additional multipliers. That's what we want to see. Let's see how it goes. Welcome everybody. Could be anything. Now, crazy time with a 2X in the top slot. Could we go all around the wheel to reach that one and only the crazy time, please? With a 2X additional multiplier. Kind of close, please. Stop right there, ladies and gentlemen. Woo! I told you, I'm not Alice from the Wonderland. I'm Eliza from the crazy time. Are you ready? Let's do this. Woo! Yeehaw! Guess who's back again? The biggest wheel in the world. Yeah. I do see highest is 100, but that's not it, guys. Double the fun. 2X it is, ladies and gentlemen. And you have to make a decision now which flapper you will choose. Green, blue, or the yellow one? What do you think? Which will be the highest one? Feel free to use an auto pick. Let's do it. Let's do it together. Ladies and gentlemen, the highest is 200. Let's do this. Woo! Let's give it a shot. Yeehaw. Double. Can we get some double there? Super clues, 70, 40, and the double on the yellow. Let's double the fun on the yellow, ladies and gentlemen. Ready to press that button. The 400X. 400X is the highest. Wish you good luck. Here we go. Flexing with some multis. Come on, baby, we can do this. 400 or the double. Come on, baby, we can do this. Wish you good luck. It is 200X on a crazy time. Yellow flapper. Woo! 70, 40, and a 200X. Yeah!
Bye-bye. Have a good time with Leonard.
True, not false. How we doing, everybody? Peace, Sereno. Hey, have a good one, man. Have a good one. All right, how we doing, everybody? The dance moves were on point? Of course, man, of course. I mean, I was practicing. Yeah. Glad to see you. Wish I could say the same. Damn. Oh, wait a minute. Wait. Oh, 7X cash hunt, though. Sheesh. All right. Right away, we're starting off the banger. Likewise, everybody. Likewise. Just kidding. All right, here we go. Cash with Torino. 7X right away. Jeez. Boom. All right. Already starting off with the banger. Boring. Boom. Upgrade. Now, that's so much better, no? Sheesh. Well, nice. A lot of stuff. It's 700X right here, baby. Bye-bye. Well, now it's gonna waffle and shuffle somewhere, so... Alright, here it goes. Now try to find the thing with the 700X. Alright. 700X, where is it at, guys? There's a hole in the wall. Behind... Wait, where's there a hole in the wall? Alright, anyway. There's a hole. Alright, I didn't even know. Where's there a hole? Is that a ventilation or something? Anyway... Alright, you guys clicked to one of those things, right? There you go. 700X teleported to that side. 30 players clutched it. Most of you guys got 70X. Very cool. Over 2,000 of you. But 4,114 winners, though, guys, overall. Sheesh. Right away, starting off the session.
Video finished. The clock in the video is a Troll Time UTC-HS clock. How to compare the hours in this video. Open an internet search for world clocks and compare the hours on the video with the clocks in your country. Thank you.